After discussion of a concept of conditional sentences, let's discuss about different types and their use. Dear friends, here we are ready to discuss about here types 0, types 1 and type 2. So just have a look on a board and try to understand. You can see here type 0 is structure you can set up in our mind. We can set up in our mind if plus simple present and then simple present. It means two clauses you can get here in a conditional sentences, and in a two clause you can see both side, in PC side and CC side, both side you can get the same tense, that is simple present tense. After that, here these sentences will also make us clear how here a simple present and simple present here in both sides they are become, and that will be clear here just now. Here the first sentence is telling ice floats if you drop it in water. So what can you see here? A principal clause is written here at first, and then here a conditional clause written. So we don't use any type of a comma here. So you can see here subject plus verb 5, and here also subject plus verb 1. So you can see here the same structure here used. Likewise the next one, plants die if you don't water them. So you can see here, here also simple, here PC is written at first, and then after that CC is written. After that here iron rust if it get wet. So this is the sentence that is related with here a type 0. In both sides you can see both clause. Here it is written here in a simple present and simple present in both clause PC and CC side. Likewise next one is if it rains the grass get wet. So what can you see here? The grass gets wet. The grass gets wet. So both sides you can see there same tense is used. If it's a day off, I sleep late. So whatever here the 5 sentences you got, what can we see here? The same structure, if plus simple present and simple present. It means both clauses PC and CC both here written in a simple present tense. So overall, what should we understand here? What can we understand? A condition of reality and fact. It means, to say that here, it means here this type 0 is used whenever we express the condition, the reality or fact. So in these sentences are also expressing the same thing, that is reality or fact. So these are related, these sentences are related with the fact or reality. So possibility of action that become 100%. You know how? If you will say here iron rust if it gets, it's a real thing, that is scientific proof also, that whenever iron get wet it will be rusted. So this is likewise here other sentences. So ice floats if you drop it in water. So this is scientific fact also, reality also. So overall, what should we understand here? Condition of reality or fact. So 0 type is always related with reality or fact, and possibility of action become 100%. So I hope you understood of type 1. So let's discuss about here type 0 that you understood. Let's discuss about here type 1. So type 1 is structure here we can set up in our mind. If plus simple present, and then subject plus will, shall, can, may plus verb 1. So this is the structure that we should set up in our mind related with type 1. So type 1 has two structures. One here we will discuss here in a sentence. So at least here we should set up in our mind. This is the structure of type 1. So these sentences are here. If he meets me, I will help you. If he meets me, I will. If he meets me, he will help me. He will help me. So now this is not correct. If he meets me, he will help me. So this sentence you can say, this part here, conditional side, you can say this is in a simple present, and this side here, out of here, will, shall, can, may plus verb 1 here will is used. So I hope you got it. Likewise, he will dance if we request him. So you can see here in this sentence, PC is written first and then CC is written. So you can see in a CC here, which tense is used? Simple present. So as a given in a structure. Likewise, if you want to pass the test, if you want to pass the test, work hard. So this sentence is different than the previous two. If you need any help, meet me tomorrow. So what can you see here? In a CC side, in a both sentence, you can see in a CC side, same tense is used, that is simple present. But in PC side, you can see here is not mentioned any of them. Like your will, shall, can, and might, may plus from. Here only you can see the sentence is started from after comma, sentence started from verb one. So these type of sentences, meet me tomorrow, work hard. So this type of sentence, that is called imperative sentence. So overall, what can we say here? In a type 1 2 structure we should understand. So that here you can say if plus simple present plus imperative. So these two sentences here based on this structure. After that, here this type 1 is here taking condition of a simple possibility happening in present or future. So you can see here in these sentences here the action that there become a possibility of happening when in present or future, and possibility of action become here 50%. Here if you will say if he will dance if we request him. So after requesting, he will dance, here is telling. Mean to say that he may dance or may not dance. So possibility there become 50-50. So for our understanding, here I have written here possibility of action 50% only become. So I hope you understood here type 1 also. Let's discuss here type 2. So type 2 is here telling structure is subject type 2 if plus simple past and then subject plus would, could, might plus verbal. So this is a structure that we should set up in our mind. And after that here, these sentences will also make us clear about the same structure. So here is telling, if he called me, I would come. If he called me, I would come. So you can see here, he plus verb 2 here is simple past, and here out of your would, could, might plus verbal here is use of would. Likewise here, if they invited me, I would join the party. So here you can see subject plus verb 2, and then out of here would, could, might, here is use of would. So these sentences are related with the same. This next sentence, third sentence is very interesting, and it is unusual, different than the previous two sentences. Here is telling, if I were a bird, I would fly in the sky. So you can see here where is used. So here is be verb. Where is here be verb? So you cannot say this is your verb too. It is in a simple past tense, but here is use of be verb. So if I were a bird, I would fly in the sky. You can see out of here the same structure here. You can see the same would, could, and might out of them here would is used. So overall, here we should understand condition of doubtful, unreal, hypothetical in the past. So you can see here, you can say here also. So this type 2 is concerned with doubtful, unreal, or hypothetical situation. So here, if I were a bird, I would fly in the sky. So I will not be a bird and I would not fly in the sky. This is here hypothetically just imagination, you can say. So this one. So here possibility of action that become very less here. I hope up to now whatever we discuss here about type 0, type 1 and type 2, you understood very well of them. Thank you very much for watching this video.